Vegetarian cooking opens a realm of vibrant flavors and nourishing ingredients, offering countless possibilities for delicious meals. One such dish is the colorful quinoa salad, a beautiful medley of cooked quinoa, diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and bell peppers, all drizzled with a zesty lemon dressing. This salad not only bursts with freshness, but also packs a nutritional punch, making it a perfect light lunch or side dish. Next, consider a creamy mushroom risotto that captures the essence of comfort food. With arborio rice slowly cooked in vegetable broth, this dish transforms as it absorbs the flavors of sautéed onions and earthy mushrooms. A touch of Parmesan cheese at the end creates a velvety texture, making each spoonful a delightful experience for the senses. For an adventurous choice, try making roasted eggplant rolls, where tender roasted strips of eggplant are filled with a herbed ricotta cheese mixture, then baked in a luscious tomato sauce. Topped with melted mozzarella, these rolls are not only appetizing, but also present beautifully at any dinner table. Continue the culinary journey with hearty lentil soup, a soul-soothing blend of lentils, carrots, celery, and aromatic spices simmered together. Each spoonful offers warmth and depth, providing comfort during cold days while being a wholesome option for a quick weeknight dinner. Another delightful recipe is stuffed bell peppers, bursting with flavor and color. Fill each bell pepper with a mixture of brown rice, black beans, corn, and spices, then bake until tender. The result is a nutritious and hearty meal that pleases both vegetarians and meat lovers alike. Don't overlook the potential of a vegetable stir-fry, where seasonal vegetables are sautéed in sesame oil, combined with tofu or tempeh for protein, and tossed in a savory soy sauce. Serve this aromatic ensemble over a bed of fluffy jasmine rice for a satisfying dinner. For a unique twist, whip up some zucchini noodles topped with a homemade pesto sauce. This light, refreshing dish invites endless variations with different vegetables and nuts, highlighting the versatility of plant-based cooking. Complete your meal repertoire with baked sweet potato fries, a crispy and healthier alternative to traditional fries, seasoned with paprika and garlic powder. Or indulge in a fruit-infused yogurt parfait, layered with granola and mixed berries, proving that vegetarian-friendly desserts can be both tasty and wholesome. These 10 easy vegetarian recipes promise to transform your cooking routine into a flavorful culinary adventure, celebrating the variety and richness of plant-based ingredients. Enjoy trying them out.